Thank you. After the ISCA Awards, there would be very important releases. First of all, the release of the Science, Technology and Innovation Policy 2013. May we request the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Dr. Manmohan Singh Ji, to release this policy and present the first copy to the Honorable President. The release of the Science, Technology and Innovation Policy 2013 being released by the Honorable Prime Minister, and this would now be presented, the first copy would be presented to the Honorable President. The first copy will be presented to the Honorable President. Thank you, sir. And now the release of the proceedings of ISCA by the Honorable Prime Minister. Indeed, we now call upon his dual role as the General President of ISCA as he releases the proceedings of ISCA. Once again, the first copy would be presented to the Honorable President. And now a commemorative postage stamp. May I request the Chief Postmaster General, West Bengal Circle, Mr. R.R.P. Singh, to present it to the Honorable Prime Minister for formal release. And once again, the first copy would be presented to the Honorable President. A commemorative stamp marking the centenary of the Indian Science Congress. Thank you, sir. May we now request the Honorable Chief Minister to release the book Balancing Act, which tells the story of 21 ladies in science. Balancing Act being released by the Honorable Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Once again, the first copy would be presented to the Honorable President. Balancing Act, which tells the personal story of 21 ladies in science. Thank you. And now, of course, the proceedings of the nationwide celebrations. May we request the Honorable Minister of Science and Technology and Earth Sciences, Shri S. Jayapal Reddy Ji, to release the celebration, the nationwide celebration proceedings, and present the first copy to the Honorable President. As the Honorable Minister Jayapal Reddy Ji pointed out, that there were nationwide celebrations in Vadodara, in Coimbatore, in Delhi, and another celebration in Arunachal Pradesh is planned, besides many inspirational films. So, an account of the nationwide celebrations. Thank you. And now, may we request the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Dr. Manmohan Singh Ji, as also the General President of ISCA, for his address.